I will show you how to quickly create separate slides for each image or PDF file imported into Apple Keynote. I have a blank Keynote presentation here and I want to import some resume examples that I will make as a slideshow. I'm going to select all the files and drag them to the Keynote slides. Make sure you don't paste it on the slide area, but rather on the left in the thumbnail area, right below the first slide. You can create photo slides quickly that way. You can do the same with PDF files. I have a PDF deck saved here as individual slides. I can just drag it to my Keynote and place it below the first slide. You want to make sure you align it below the slide, otherwise it becomes a subgroup of the slide. If that happens though, you can just grab it and move it to the left to remove the subgroup. If the slides don't fit the presentation perfectly, you can either manually resize each file or change the slide size under document. This is a great little trick to get each image or PDF file placed on a separate Keynote slide. Thanks so much for watching.